friends, welcome back to our fun channel. Today we are going to talk about something super yummy, that is foods I like. Are you ready? Let's go! Fruits I like. First, I love fruits. They are sweet, juicy, and healthy. My favorite fruits are apple, that is crunchy and yummy, watermelon, that is cool and refreshing, bananas, soft and super energy giving. Vegetables I like. Vegetables make us strong and healthy. Here are the veggies I like. Carrot, they help us see better. Broccoli, tiny green trees. Tomato, juicy and red. Veggies are superheroes for our body. Snacks I like. Sometimes we feel hungry and want a quick snacks. I like sandwich that is soft and tasty, popcorn, crunchy and fun, cheese cubes, yummy bites of goodness. But remember, healthy snacks are the best. My favorite meal. My favorite meal is pizza. I love veggie pizza with lots of cheese.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.